Here's a quick guided tour on how we took a website looking like this to looking like this and the results. Here's how the website used to look like. Nothing really special about it, but it's not bad. We've seen worse. And here's what we've changed it to. Now, this particular layout, I actually got the go-ahead to publish this on the 6th of May. It's the 9th. Keep that in mind, because the next is very important. Now, if you want to make a change that goes from this to this, there needs to be proof that this doesn't work, but this does. And in comes the Google Analytics. Now, this is the last 7 days, 2 May to 8 May compared to 25 April and 1 May. So we're comparing this week to last week. And you can see that even Google Analytics is saying to me that on the 6th of May, the day that I got the go-ahead to publish that new homepage layout, is the day that we actually saw a massive increase. Already winning. The other statistic that I am curious to know if this new design is actually going to work or not is actually that one right there, the backslash. 2nd May compared to the 25th of May. Now, these are the views. So the views on the homepage has increased, you can see there. The active users, which is the one that was quite interesting, it actually dropped, not by too much, but it did drop. And then the bit that is really cool is the average engagement time. That actually increased from 9 seconds to 1 minute, meaning that less people, less active users, more time spent, and look at this, event count, more inquiries. So the events here that we're counting is both phone calls and lead generation, emails on the form. So far, it's safe to say that this new design is outperforming this one, and we're just a week in. But how does this fare on Google? So there's a keyword right there. There they are right there. And there he is in the map pack. He is also right there. And you can see we're on the first page of Google. Here's another keyword. Now this one is very interesting because you see this little AI overview that we now get. Do you see who's mentioned there? Brown's Water Blossing and Soft Wash. Do you see that? Do you see that they're mentioned in there? So Google is using my client's website to actually generate this. I mean, come on. Then, on top of that, they're also featured in this little SERP listing right there. They're also listed there. They're also listed there. And it is all on the first page of Google. Now, something really awesome that we cannot take credit for is the amount of Google reviews that Brown's Water Blossing has. He puts a lot of effort into getting Google reviews, and it is paying off. It is making our life to generate these results super cruisy. Not easy, but simple. So if you're a tradie business that has a website that looks like this, you want to go to that and achieve the results that we did, then get in touch. Other than that, bye for now.